Looking to transition from clarinet to bass clarinet? I'm Amy Chambers, bass clarinet instructor, and I'm here to help. In this 4-part series, we'll cover equipment, assembly, playing posture, and embouchure. Bass clarinet is an entirely different beast, so you'll need to approach it differently. If you haven't watched part 2, bass clarinet assembly, that's where I show you how to put together your instrument. If your equipment is in good working order and your instrument is already assembled, then we'll jump right in with playing posture and hand position. When you are playing bass clarinet, you'll want to bring your bass clarinet to you rather than you to the bass clarinet. What that means is you'll sit at the front of your chair with your feet flat on the ground and your bass clarinet between your legs, not off to the side. Band directors of female bass clarinetists, I'm talking to you now. Be sure that your concert attire for bass clarinetists is pants or a split skirt. Dresses do not work for bass clarinet. They cause wrong notes and squeaks and generally look tacky with a seated bass clarinetist. Students, please ask your band director about concert attire early in the year so they can accommodate your instrument. Next, adjust your peg so that your mouthpiece hits your mouth at the right height while you're sitting up. You also need to use a neck strap for extra support so that you can alter the mouthpiece angle to be a little bit more clarinet-like. Depending on the type of neck you have, you can achieve this by pulling the bell under the chair a bit, using the neck strap for balance. The neck strap is not for the weight of the instrument. It's to stabilize and balance the horn. Next, your hand position is similar to clarinet, although bass clarinet is bigger, so your fingers will be a little farther apart. Your left hand goes on top and your right hand goes on the bottom. You won't be supporting it with the thumb rest. You'll use the peg to hold it up. The bass clarinet uses the plateau system. That means that you press the keys instead of worrying about covering the holes. There are other differences too. Near the top, you may notice a small hole in the F-sharp key. It's called a half hole. That tiny hole is for notes way up high in the altissimo register. For now, just cover it completely when you play the notes that use that key. You should also note that there is at least one extra key compared to the clarinet. Student bass clarinets go down to a low E flat rather than just a low E. So there's an extra one on the bottom right-hand side. Your fingers in home bass position should look like this. So now you know how to sit and hold your bass clarinet. Be sure to watch the 4th and final part in the series, bass clarinet embouchure, to learn about how to make a big fat sound. Happy bass clarinetting.